This is Jack.
Hey.
Jack's been in the converting business for 40 years. He is certain his operation is efficient and productive. And not for nothing, Jack has changed lots of things in his business over the years. All except for one thing. Every order Jack receives, he handles in the same way. Lays it out as many times as possible, prints, die cuts, and finally, folds and glues. For Jack, X customer jobs always means X print make-readies and plates and X finishing setups and dies. Of course, this is great if we're talking about classic longer-run jobs. But now, with Jack needing to grow his business because order sizes are getting smaller and smaller and his customers demanding faster delivery time, isn't it time for a change, Jack? And that's where Highcon's digital manufacturing comes in. A revolution in the traditional paradigm of how jobs are processed. From now on, Jack can stop thinking of individual jobs and start thinking about maximizing total output per shift. With digital manufacturing, Jack can gang several customer orders into a single production layout and use flexible printing and Highcon's digital cutting and creasing system to quickly produce multiple jobs, all in just one run. He can start slashing the number of press and finishing make-readies and setups and shrinking turnaround time and tooling costs. And don't worry, Jack won't have all the hassle of building the ganged layouts. Highcon will provide him with the right tool to do that complex job because Highcon has teamed up with Tilia Labs to enable customers like Jack to automate the ganging process and easily implement digital manufacturing. Phoenix AI, Tilia's artificial intelligence-based software, analyzes all jobs in the queue and automatically generates the optimal layouts and production workflows. Then, the production of multiple jobs is done with minimal effort and cost and maximum efficiency. Today, you can enjoy the benefits of digital manufacturing alongside your conventional manufacturing. Every Highcon system is bundled with Phoenix AI software, allowing you to process many more short-run jobs per shift, increasing total throughput and revenue. Learn more about our digital manufacturing workflow in The Life of a File.